We are Memphis. We are LaSallian in tradition, and I know that we're based on St. John Baptist de La Salle, but being LaSallian means that we have everyone represented here.
I mean, it's selfless. Brotherhood truly is selfless here. What you make it and what you get out of it is up to you. That's what's truly remarkable here, is you have someone next to you the entire time. They're willing to go through it with you. If it's not for them, it's for the other boys that are behind them.
I think this school can build a certain character about a person that you don't find many other places. Whether it's work ethic, personality, the way you greet somebody, the way you walk into a room. That's something that's very unique for the school.
The discipline that takes, you learn here. You learn how to be held accountable here and how to hold people accountable. That standard has been set, right? And so everybody has to live up to that year in and year out.
It's the best possible scenario for a young boy to grow into a man here.
They're trying to push you. They want you to be the best you can be, so when you get out in the real world, it translates over.
I think there are a lot of other faculty and staff, and even like my classmates, they'll really sort of push you to go to greater heights.
To have a teacher that will support them both inside and outside the classroom, I think is important.
Your 4 years here, it's just the beginning, right? It's about the rest of your life.
Those that buy into it, they get so much more out of it. And it means more to them on the other side. And you see that every day with the alumni that still come back every day and walk the halls.
The decision to attend CBHS sets a young man apart well beyond his years here. It defines you, it transforms you, and it stays with you forever.